Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to transfer money from Commerzbank. Before you can make transfers through Outbank, you need to have HBCI access enabled for your Commerzbank account. First, apply for HBCI access through Commerzbank Bank by completing the HBCI application form on the Commerzbank website. After your application is processed, Commerzbank will send your HBCI credentials by mail. You will also need to activate the photo tan method on the Commerzbank website, as this will be required for authentication and transaction approval. Once you have received your credentials, open the Outbank app, tap Add Account, search for Commerzbank and select the entry that matches your bank code. Enter your ABCI credentials and tap Connect. Complete the required authentication steps using the photo tan method. After the connection is successful, select the Commerzbank accounts you want to add to Outbank. Once your account has been added, go to the Account Overview screen. Select the Commerzbank account you want to send money from, tap Transfer or New Transfer. Enter the recipient's name, IBAN, and the amount you want to send. You can also add a payment reference or description if needed. Carefully review all the payment details. When everything looks correct, tap Continue or Submit. You will then be asked to approve the transfer using the photo tan method. Open your photo tan app, scan or confirm the transaction, and authorize the payment. After successful authorization, the transfer will be submitted to Commerzbank for processing. You can check the transfer status in your transaction history within Outbank. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.